Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can make slow motion video in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your camera and just agree all this. Then you have to swipe right, click on more. Here it is slow-mo. You can see, click on slow motion video and slow motion video is selected. Then you have to make one. I show you. And friends, you can see the slow motion video. Just allow all this. You can see this is how you can make any of the slow motion video in your camera in Poco smartphone. Before, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.